Okay, now we have to simplify different questions based on the exponent in this lecture. Now see over here. This is in first bracket and after division we have this. And this has the power of minus 3. So firstly we convert this. So it becomes minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 plus 4 by 9 divided by, and we invert it. It becomes 5 upon 3 to the power 3. Okay. Now we have to solve the bracket. Clear? So when we solve the bracket, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 plus 4 by 9. Minus 2 to the power 3. It means what? Minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Now multiply all of them. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Minus 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Clear? Now put this value over here. It becomes minus 8 by 27 plus 4 by 12. Now find the LCM of 9 and 27. 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. So LCM is 9 into 3, which is 27. Okay? Now we rationalize. 8 by 27, here it is 27. 4 by 9, here it is 27. So 1 and 1. 8 ones are 8. 9 3s are 27. 4 3s are 12. So it becomes minus 8 by 27 plus 12 by 27. Clear? Now we have the same denominator, that is 27. Minus 8 plus 12. Now these two have different signs. So we subtract. 12 minus 8, 4 by 27. Now we substitute this value over here in this equation. So it becomes 4 by 27 divided by 5 by 3 to the power 3. Okay. Now we solve 5 by 3 to the power 3. 5 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3. It becomes 125 by 27. Okay. So we put over here 4 by 27 divided by 125 by 27. Now we change the sign of division. 4 by 27 into 27 upon 125. Both get cancelled. We get 4 upon 125. Okay. In this way we solve this question. Now next question which we have to solve. 4 to the power minus 3 divide minus 1 to the power 3. Now this minus 3 we change it. How it change? 1 by 4 to the power 3 divide by minus 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Now convert this division. 1 by 4 3 into 2 by minus 1 3. ये उल्टा हो जाता है. ठीक है. अभी क्या करेंगे? We write 3 times this and 3 times this. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. And here 2 by minus 1, 2 by minus 1 and 2 by minus 1. Now what is the answer? 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Minus minus cancel. So we get 4 2s are 8 and minus. So this is your answer. Okay. Now next question. 3 by 7 whole square into 25 by 7 into minus 7 by 5 whole square. Okay. Now how will you do? कैसे करेंगे? 3 by 7 2 times. We write it 2 times. Then 25 by 7. It is again 2 times. So minus 7 by 5 minus 7 by 5. क्या क्या कट करेगा? 7 7 7 और 7. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. It cut. So minus minus becomes plus. Now 3 3s are 9. In the denominator only we have 7. So this is your answer. Clear? Now next question. Three by four cube. 3 by 4 minus 2 minus 2 by 3 whole cube. This is your question. Be careful. Very tough question. Just look on the blackboard. Minus 3 by 4 whole cube into. Convert this. Minus 2 minus 2. How will we convert? Let's see. If we have 3 to the power minus 2, okay, it becomes 1 upon 3 to the power 2. Now we have 4 to the power minus 2. It becomes 1 upon 4 to the power 2. Okay. Now here we have to divide. That means we have to divide. So 1 upon 3 to the power 2, 1 upon 9. Here it becomes 1 by 60. So we have 1 by 9, 1 by 60. So it becomes 1 by 9 into 16 by 1. So it becomes a 16 by 9. This is the step to convert this. Okay. Now substitute this value 16 by 9 here. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Solve it. 2 by 3 to the power 3. 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. What is the answer? 2 to the 4 to the 8. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So it becomes 8 by 27. Clear? Now we have to solve this. We have to subtract these two rational numbers. Minus 3 by 4 cube into. Find the LCM. It becomes 27. Okay? 9 3s are 27. Then 16 into 3. 48 minus 8. Okay? Can I explain in detail or clear? Detail. See. We have 16 by 9 minus 8 by 27. First step. Find the LCM. 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. So LCM becomes 9 into 3, which is 27. So it becomes 16 by 9, 27. 8 by 27, 27. 9 3s are 27 into 3. So it becomes 48. 27 ones are 1 here. It becomes 8. So we substitute here. Now, minus 3 by 4 cube into 40 by 27. Now this is cube. So write it 3 times. Minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4. 40 by 27. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 3. 4 10s are 40. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So minus and minus cancel. ये minus बच गया. So minus 5 upon 4 2s are 8. Okay?
ठीक है, मेरे फ्रेंड को बताएंगे कहा था.
ओके. ये देखो. ठीक है. यहाँ पर क्या करना है, सब में इंटू लगा. तो ये तो ठीक है, ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ माइनस है ना, इसको पहले ठीक करिए. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 by 3 to the power 4, 3 by 2 to the power 5. माइनस है, सो इट बिकम रिवर्स. 5 by 3 to the power 3. Clear? Okay. Now 2 by 3 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Clear? 3 by 2, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 by 5, 2 times. 5 by 3, 3 times. Done? Now cut. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. Everything is cut. Now come over here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. 5, 5, 5 and 5. Only 5 by 2 is left. There's one more method to solve this question. How will we solve? Listen. There's one more method. See, this is 2, 2 power 4. This is 3, 3 power 5. This is 3, 3 power 2. This is 5, 5 power 3. Now denominator. 3 power 4. 2 power 5. 5 power 2. 3 power 3. Clear? Now, this is 2. So, 2 power 4. Denominator 2 power 5. Into. Okay? Now 3. 3 power 5. 3 power 2. And 3 power 4. 3 power 3. Clear? Then 5. 5 power 3. 5 power 2. Done? Done? Now, this is 4, this is 5. So, 4 powers are cancelled. 4 minus 5, 1. So, we get 1 by 2. Clear? Now, here. 5 to 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. All get cancelled. Similarly, 3 and 2. So, this is 3 more. So, we write 5 over 1. Here, 5 is more. So, we write 1 over 2. Listen, one more method. 2 का power 4 minus 5. 3 का power 7 minus 7. 5 का power 3 minus 2. So it becomes 2 का power minus 1. 3 का power 0. 5 का power 1. This is minus 1. So 5 का power 1. 2 का power 1. So answer is 5 by 2.